This video, I am going to show you how to add a printer to a system. So stay put and watch how we go about it. We go through control panel. Type control panel. Look at the icon here. You click it once, then you go through hardware and sound. Then we go through device and printer. Add a printer. I'm going to add a printer. Then it's searching for all the printer in the network. So we have 3 printer on this network. So this is the one we are looking for. HP MF M437. So I'm going to click on it and click next. After that, it has connected to the printer. We can print a test page. If I want to print a test page, I can click on it, and if I don't want, I'll click finish. So this is how to add a printer to a system. So if case you want to do anything that regarding computer and electronics or software problems, please don't hesitate to let us know. You can write it in the comment section if you can find a similar challenges while we provide solution to all the problems or challenges in the system. It may be of help to you. So if it is the first time you are watching this video, please like, share and comment. Share it to your loved ones. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.